Light as a smartphone. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds, 249 grams, DJI Mini SE is roughly the same weight as the smartphone. In the United States and Canada, you can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the local government. Capture on the go. The lightweight and powerful DJI Mini SE camera drone is the ideal for creators on the move. The ultra-portable design allows you to effortlessly capture moments in unforgettable ways. More time in the sky. DJI Mini SE's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer drones on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Capture the detail. DJI Mini SE supports 12 megapixels aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear ultra-smooth footage. Upgraded wind resistance. DJI Mini SE can resist 29 to 38 km/h winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Easy-to-use template. The DJI Fly app offers a variety of creator templates that generate awesome videos with just a tap. Even beginners with no editing experience can turn any moment into a social media hit. Top reviews from the United States. No reviews I have read mentioned the DJI Mini SE was made in Malaysia. Just sayin'. Malaysia is known for LTS high-tech manufacturing products in electronics, like the DJI Mini SE drone. I ordered a 30-watt block charger from the official DJI store. The box it was in had DJI all over it. The block itself had no G markings on it at all. It did deliver its rated 5V3 amp output. It charged my phone at 2,850 mAh. It's not a knockoff. The thing is I can't tell it from my other black chargers. The output is USB-C female. You'll need to get a USB-C male charging cord. It did not come with one. It was $19.99. Shipping was $8.50 and it took 6 working days to get delivered. It had been unavailable for months. I got an email saying they were back in stock and was limited stock available, so I ordered the same day. I didn't want to have to buy any other charger and hope that it works and not burn up my drone. I think DJI is moving away from USB-A and going with USB-C now.